Welcome to Toys and RC. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the 5 best RC cars under $100, 2025 edition. After extensive research across several websites, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of all kinds of buyers. Whether you're looking for the best value, great performance, or something for a specific type of use, I've got you covered. Keep in mind, this is not a detailed review, but rather a product showcase to help you discover what's out there. For more information about each model, you'll find all the links in the description below. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course subscribe to the channel for more RC content coming soon. Number 5. Introducing the HAIBOXING 118 scale all-terrain RC car. 18859, the perfect remote control vehicle for anyone who loves speed, power, and off-road adventure. Powered by a high-performance RC 380 brushed motor and 4-wheel drive, this truck reaches thrilling speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour, delivering an exciting driving experience every time. Built with hobby-grade components, it features ball bearings, a solid gear differential, and independent suspension for excellent stability, durability, and smooth control on any terrain. The 2.4 GHz full-function radio system offers fast response and a stable control range of up to 280 feet, giving you precise handling for forward, brake, and reverse movements. Its splash-proof electronic parts make it truly all-terrain, so you can drive it on grass, gravel, or pavement without worry. The flexible PVC body and high-grip off-road tires provide both toughness and traction, while the two included 7.4-volt LiPo rechargeable batteries let you enjoy up to 40 minutes of non-stop fun. It comes 99% ready to run. Just take it out of the box, charge the batteries, and hit the road. The HAIBOXING 18859 is fast, durable, and ready for adventure, an ideal RC truck for both kids and adults who love performance and excitement. Boom. Number 4. The GoolRC 2103 RC Drift Car, a 1:14 scale high-speed 4-wheel drive remote control car built for true drifting and racing enthusiasts. Designed with a realistic simulation structure, this RC car delivers an authentic driving experience. You'll enjoy full proportional control for smooth acceleration, precise braking, reversing, and incredible cornering, all with the realistic feel of a full-sized car. Equipped with a powerful motor and a 4-wheel drive system, it reaches speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour, providing outstanding power and stability on every run. The 2.4 GHz remote control ensures simple, responsive handling and eliminates signal interference, so multiple cars can race together without issues, perfect for competitive fun with friends. One of its standout features is the external controllable gyro, which enhances balance and stability during turns or stunts, allowing for precise drifting performance and a more exciting driving experience. Built with a tough, high-quality plastic body, the GoolRC 2103 is durable enough for both indoor and outdoor use. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, each offering around 15 minutes of runtime, and they can be conveniently charged via USB for quick and easy power-ups. With sleek styling, dynamic LED light effects, and impressive performance, the GoolRC 2103 RC Drift Car is the perfect gift for adults who love speed, precision, and the thrill of real drifting. Number 3. Meet the DEERC 9309E all-terrain fast RC car, a true 4WD monster truck built to dominate any surface. This beast is engineered with a full metal power system, including metal oil shocks, metal differential, metal drive shaft, and metal gear servo, giving it unmatched durability and strength. Whether you're tearing through sand, mud, gravel, or grass, this truck is ready for any challenge. Powered by a high-torque 380 brushed motor, it hits blazing speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Combined with its 4-wheel drive drivetrain and IPX4 waterproof electronic system, you can push through puddles, tackle hills, and drift over bumps with total confidence. The DEERC. 9309E comes with two 1,500 mAh rechargeable batteries, delivering up to 40 minutes of non-stop fun. No more short rides or long recharge waits, just pure driving excitement. Its realistic monster truck design includes working LED headlights for night runs and a rear wheelie bar for stability during high-speed acceleration. The oil-filled shock absorbers smooth out any terrain, letting you perform epic stunts with style and control. Perfect for both kids and adults, this RC car makes an incredible gift for anyone who loves speed, adventure, and outdoor fun. Take it out of the box, charge it up, and get ready to experience high-performance off-road racing like never before. The DEERC 9309E is built to thrill. Number 2. Get ready for high-speed adventure with the 1:14 Scale 4 WD Off-Road Monster Truck. A powerful RC car built for speed, control, and rugged terrain. Driven by a high-performance RC 390 motor, this truck hits speeds of over 40 kilometers per hour. The proportional 2.4 GHz controller gives you throttle control from 50% to 100%, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced racers. With a control range of up to 70 meters, you can race multiple cars together without interference. The package includes two 7.4-volt, 1,300 mAh rechargeable lithium batteries, offering up to 40 minutes of continuous fun, about 20 minutes per battery. They're equipped with overcharge and low-voltage protection, ensuring safe and consistent power during every race. Built to handle the toughest terrain, this four-wheel drive truck features metal adjustable shock absorbers, a waterproof high-torque servo, and a 30-degree steering angle for precise control. Its durable full roll cage shell, reinforced bumpers, alloy drivetrain components, and IPX4 waterproof ESC make it ready for dirt, grass, gravel, and even light rain. The bright LED headlights keep the fun going after dark. For added versatility, it comes with two full sets of tires, high-grip rubber tires for roads and grass, and paddle tires for sand or snow. Swapping them is quick and easy, so you can conquer any terrain and customize your ride. Whether for backyard racing, park trails, or off-road challenges, this monster truck is perfect for both kids and adults. Fast, durable, and exciting, it's an ideal gift for anyone who loves RC cars and outdoor adventures. Number 1. Experience the thrill of true hobby-grade performance with the DEERC 9206 E1-10 scale high-speed RC car. A powerful four-wheel drive off-road monster built for speed, style, and creativity. Driven by a high-performance motor, this large-scale RC truck reaches speeds of over 48 kilometers per hour. Its durable four-wheel drive system and all-terrain design let you conquer dirt, grass, sand, and rocky trails with ease. The DEERC 9206E comes with not one, but two car shells, a bold, colorful design, and a clear shell for DIY customization. You can paint and personalize it to create your own unique look. With working LED headlights, you can even race confidently at night. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz proportional control system, this RC car gives you precise throttle and steering adjustment for smooth handling and realistic driving. Beginners can easily control it at lower speeds, while advanced users can push it to the limit, all within a range of up to 100 meters. Two 7.4-volt 1,500 mAh rechargeable batteries deliver up to 40 minutes of continuous fun, letting you enjoy longer playtime with fewer stops to recharge. Metal oil-filled shock absorbers on all four wheels absorb impacts from jumps and rough terrain, protecting the electronics and keeping the ride stable and smooth. Perfect for both kids and adults, the DEERC 9206E makes an incredible gift for anyone who loves RC racing, creativity, and outdoor excitement. Ready to run straight out of the box, just charge it up, customize your shell, and hit the track. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, Just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.